Dear K1s, today we are going to learn how to make something fun. I'm going to teach you how to make a shape in a bottle. To start off, we are going to prepare some color papers, scissors, an empty bottle, and also a glue. Make sure you are using a bottle that is clean and not wet on the inside. Slowly tear away the wrapper. We are going to start making our boat. First, fold the paper into half. Then fold it into another half. Fold down one of the corners and fold the other corner to make a triangle. Slowly fold the bottom upwards. Turn the paper and fold the other side. Now that it looks like a party hat, fold in one of the edges, followed by the other one. Open it up from the middle and turn it into a square. Then again, fold up one of the edges, turn the paper and fold it upwards again, and you will see another triangle. Open it up from the middle again, and slowly pull the sides of the paper. Now that's all done, give it a little press and you will have your mini paper boat. Using a marker, draw out a small rectangle in the middle of the bottle. We are going to cut this area out later. Do ask your mommy or daddy to help you with the cutting, as the plastic bottle might be sharp after you cut it. Remember to use the scissors very carefully so as to not injure yourself. Now we have a small hole in the middle of the bottle. Glue the paper boat you have made onto the blue paper. Alternatively, you may use a tape to secure the boat on the blue paper. Now, we are going to put double-sided tape on two sides of the blue paper. Gently fold the paper into half and slowly insert it through the hole. If the paper won't fit, fold it down a little and slowly reposition the boat in the bottle. Be careful when doing so because the double-sided tape should not touch the bottle now. Then, using a long stick you can find, put it into the bottle and gently swap it onto the blue paper. Try to be as slow and gentle as possible when you are doing it so as to not tear the paper. Last but not least, put on the bottle cap tightly. If you want to make your ship in the boat waterproof, cover up the hole with transparent tape. And if you don't want your bottle to roll around, you may also wish to tape two straws behind the bottle. This will help you to secure the position of the bottle when you place it on any flat surfaces. And now, we are officially done with our shape in the bottle.